Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia. We're unboxing the RP-502 surround speaker. RP-502S. These are sold by the pair. These are bipolar, and they have 2 tweeters, 2 woofers, firing in 2 separate directions.
Bipolar.
Specifically designed for surround sound applications. Back of the speaker. This is the black ash.
Just hangs like a picture.
You can hang it on the wall or set it on stands. For purchasing this product, feel free to give us a call. We do price match and we'll beat any online competitors. Pricing, call us, email us. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe below. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.